Hello, class third. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all my kids are doing fine and healthy at their home or at their place. So, class third, as you all know that we are doing 15th chapter of our EVS, which is making pots. And in our today's session, we are going to discuss about what is pottery, and we are going to discuss some of the benefits of clay pot and how clay pot utensils help environment. So we will be discussing about the term pottery, benefits of clay pot, as well as how these clay pots in utensils are helpful for the environment. All right, so now let's begin with the session. So class, pottery is the process and the products of forming vessels and other objects with clay and other ceramic materials, which are fired at high temperature to give them a hard, durable form. So bacha, as you got to know that it is a process, it is a way through which we make different vessels and different objects like your pots with the help of clay. We all have seen clay, and with the help of the clay we make different objects, and then they are kept at a very high temperature to make them more strong and more durable. All right, so it is a process of making new vessels, and then they are kept at a high temperature so they can be more hard and they can be strong, and all these things are done with the help of the clay. All right, now the second thing we are going to discuss about what are the benefits of clay pot. We all know, class, there are certain benefits of the clay pot, so we will be discussing about the benefits of clay pot. So bacha, the benefits of clay pots are following. Your clay pots are not only cheap and easily available utensils, but they also provide numerous health benefits to your body. So bacha, the clay pots are very cheap. If we go and purchase in the market, you will find that the clay pots are very cheap, and it is easily available. You can purchase these clay pots at your nearby shops or any market, and furthermore, class, it also provides lots and lots of healthy benefits to your body. Secondly bacha, it retains nutrition value. Whenever we keep any of the food item in the clay pot, it also helps to retain the nutrition value. As we all know, class, every food we eat has some of the nutrients in it, and if we keep the food in the clay pot, it helps to retain the nutrition value. The next benefit of the clay pot is that it adds up minerals to food. So now it adds certain minerals to the food, like clayware owes more than 16 natural minerals which are beneficial for health. So what's a clayware is a type of material which has 16 natural minerals, which itself has 16 natural minerals, which is very good for the health, as these nutrients are present at the right quantities. So but it has the right amount of the nutrients, which is very good for the body. Then we have keep bacteria away. But the clay pots keep the bacteria away, keep the germs causing bacteria away, which is very good. Else if there will be bacteria, then we will fall sick. So these clay pots help to keep away the bacteria. It also uses less oil. We know that eating too much of the oil is very harmful for our body, but it also helps in keeping use of less oil, and if we will use less oil, it will be very good for ourselves. Next thing also, bacha, makes food more delicious. So if you are planning to cook food next time, make sure to try the food in the clay pot, and you will analyze yourself. You will see the difference that in the clay pot the food cooked is far more delicious than cooked in your steel utensils. So it helps to make the food more and more delicious. Keep water cool. But during the earlier time when there were no refrigerators, what people used to do, they used to keep water in the clay pots, and that helps to keep the water cool. And this type of the practice is still being practiced in many of the villages, towns, as well as it helps to keep the water cool. And this type of the practice is still being practiced during this time also. It is economical in the sense the cost of the clay pots are cheaper than the cost of your ROs, so it is economical, it is according to our budget. So these are the some of the benefits of a clay pot which are being used till the date. The clay pot has been used by our forefathers as well as our fathers, as well as with the rise in technology. No doubt we are using refrigerators, we are using ROs, but the clay pot has their own benefits. They are economical to us. They help to make the water cool, make food more delicious, add nutrients value. So you can see that these things are very important for our health. Next thing, bacha, we are going to discuss about how clay utensils help environment. Now we are going to study how the utensils that are made from the clay help the environment. But just see, the pots that are made from the clay are sustainable as the material decomposes back to nature. So but if we break the clay pot, the material will go back to the nature and it will cause no pollution. All right, clay does not cause any type of the pollution, whether water pollution, air pollution, or soil pollution, because clay is made from the soil, and we know that soil does not cause any type of the pollution, so it only decomposes back into the soil, and thus it does not cause any type of the pollution, and thus the utensils made from the clay helps to keep the environment neat and clean. All right, this is how clay utensils help environment neat and clean. So bacha, I hope you have understood about pottery, benefits of a clay pot, as well as how clay utensils help environment. Now talking about for today's homework, today you are given with one art integrated activity that you have to make a pot using the clay. You can color it with the help of the color brushes as well as from the watercolors, but you have to make a pot using clay. All right, thank you.